My dream job is to be a dentist.
I do want to be like an experimenter or like an archaeologist.
I would really like to be a vet.
I was lucky I got an opportunity to work with engineering, and I built or helped to build a world land speed record car, an electric car. Unfortunately, there were also a lot of teachers that said to me that it probably wasn't a profession that I should go into because I was a girl.
We kind of have an expectation of men succeeding better than women, or boys better than girls, and that's a problem.
It's not considered cool in a way for girls to do coding.
I think within the education system, there's still a little bit of gender stereotyping.
Enjoying schooling is essential. Playfulness is how kids learn.
So I think that's key. That's like everything. If it's not fun, you won't learn it.
As a species, if we're going to survive the problems we're creating for ourselves, we need everybody contributing their best to the world.
I think actually people have woken up to this, and you know there's obviously things like Cubetto. The STEM curriculum in schools seems to be changing.
Can we have the next female Steve Jobs? Can that be possible? Can we have an entrepreneur in the STEM world, woman who just comes in and, you know, kicks some butt?
Any person can do any job they want.
I don't think being a girl or a boy should make any difference to following your dreams. It shouldn't get in the way of what you want to do.
I'm feeling very positive about the future. I think good things are going to happen and women are going to be in the center of it.